Hi guys, today we're trying to get these markers out this time. Let's do it. Oh, let me fix something. Okay, I think I did. Now I had to get these markers.
See what you do.
We better get these markers out right now. I know, I'm not gonna do that. Come on! Oh my god. And why is the screen look like blue?
A water, fire, ice type thing.
Oh, it's gray.
It's always like the highest
Oh,
level
get off.
monsters are you can never hear them really.
I can see nothing.
They're very quiet or do the
Ah.
kind of minimum on the regular islands. And then once you get to the higher islands, they start doing a lot more. It seems like you hear it. It's very quiet, but I feel like once we send him to another island, he'll be like,
I can't.
And now we're gonna go for the last one, I think. I don't know how to really pronounce it, a Shiro.
I can't get off.
This
is dumb.
But it's Congo and I think Wallaby. So we're just gonna go for it. Hopefully in some time we'll get it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna chill out.
Hi everybody, today we're playing a game where we had to get these stupid markers out. So come on, let's go.
We actually got the homies so quick. Okay. I'm gonna put them up in the front so we can hear them.
Get our markers.
Wait. Did I put him on mute? Oh no, he's just asleep. Okay, let me.
Come on, markers, get out. Come on, markers!
Anything specific I have to do
Whoa,
to actually wake
so
me up?
sticky.
He's just sleeping. Do they play the instruments? Okay,
Oh, look at this! Seriously? Get off of me! Oh my god! Oh, I can't see. I can just see what we're on. Oh no! Ah, yes!
Oasis is literally just beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so slimy, not your bath! This is when it's cold.
Wow, bro.
Get off.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's so cold.
Bro.
Okay, I think I need a bed. I'm gonna be right back in like. Okay,
Wow, bro.
I need to get this off.
Hold on. There's no more monsters, right? Literally no more. We literally got all the monsters.
I'm back. I just got a shower. Because I'm a grown up.
Wow, bro.
Okay, I better fix this all over. I messed up.
Let me just hear one last time. This is amazing.
Okay, here's the skinny thing. Like, so cold.
This is so beautiful.
Get off of my hand. Right there. Excuse that.
Oh my gosh.
Hi guys. We had to get this out. If you do this again, I'm gonna smack myself in the face. I'm gonna just kill this.
Wow, bro.
Well,
This
look
is
at it.
I can't even this island was just
This
made
one has
for,
sprinkles.
beauty, bro.
That was so big. Seriously? Take it off from there. I can't see. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. Help me.
Uncle is so funny, bro. Just
It's all for my hair. Oh no, I'm again. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see.
Wow, bro.
I guess slime in my hair. Get this off.
Thank y'all, bro, for just everything, bro. Next
So
island,
it's so
we're
cool.
gonna start Light Island. I've already started just a bit,
Sticky.
but as you can see, I need to, start putting like the torches down and everything like that so we can get things started. But Light Island should be pretty fun. I can't wait. A lot of these islands, they
Get off of my hair. Now I can't get.
Extra hard studying calls for something extra. So you serve up DiGiorno fully
Kick
stuffed
your
crust crust
legs.
pizza with an extra layer of cheese stuffed edge to edge throughout the entire crust. Always hits the spot. It's not delivery. It's
I'm doing it.
I have moderate to severe
Did it.
colitis. So I'm taking Zeposia, a once-daily pill, because I won't let you see, stop me from being me.
Get this slime out.
Zeposia
I can't get the markers out because it's so hard.
and has been shown to reduce symptoms in as early as 2 weeks.
Come on, markers, get out.
First and only S1P receptor modulator approved for UC. Don't take Zeposia if you've had a heart attack, chest pain, stroke, or
And
renal
kick
surgery,
your
heart
leg.
failure in the last
Hot
6
dog,
months,
hot
irregular
dog.
or abnormal heartbeat. If you
I always hated vents. I hate vents with a passion. These videos so much because I'm not here right now. Yes, I'm not here, so these videos are already pre-uploaded. So I cannot play your request.
Get off of my hair.
Soon after my birthday. But today we are playing the Garden of Bonbon. Sorry, Reincarnated. I don't want to get my boy. I almost said your real life name. I'm sorry. I don't want to get him in trouble because it's a recreation of Garden of Banban. I like to call it Bonbon, but Banban. I love Mickey all mad, so Bonbon. And it looks freaking amazing. So it's basically a Garden of Banban fan game, and I'm just ready to play this because it just looks awesome. So let's open up this hunk of a trunk of a game, and let's get into this. How y'all feeling right now? Y'all feeling good? Having a great day? I hope live streaming well, I'm just waiting for the game to load. Don't worry about me. I'm just chilling. Oh, I thought y'all laughed at me, bro. That scared me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wonder if I can actually, I don't have to like mess with settings or anything. I hope I don't have to. Look at my unique geese. Channel down in the description down below. Make sure you go follow him. Great YouTuber. Oh, Geese, did you just hack me? Let me find out you hacked me. Give me a virus on this PC. Okay, I'm sorry. I can't even be playing games. So frame rate, let's put that down to 60 because I don't got time for this thing to be messing up. Yeah, frame rate at 60. Going crazy because I'm moving in with the 360. 360 P.
It kind of popped.
Yo, guess what? You can't
but
see me. Ooh, yeah. Okay, play the game. Okay. Okay,
Just
I
go
don't think
to
you can really
my
change
hair.
your sensitivity in this game, so let's
Stop
just play.
my hair.
Sorry, this is a little shaky. But here we are in this reincarnated nightmare. I do not want to come back here. Let me out! Let me out! Okay, I'm stuck in here. I think I just heard. I heard Ophelia. Oh, y'all did amazing with this art, though. Eat fruits and veggies to grow strong. Jumbo Josh says, with ketchup all over him. This is amazing. Y'all did y'all thing with this. So, a fatal error. Okay, there's errors on the computer screens. I'm sorry, I'm really scared right now. Oh, flashlight. F? Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh, okay. Alright. I'm fine. Hello? Why am I should never do that. Nice. Okay, we got a key card. No one saw that. I'm just. It's dark in here. That's all. It's really dark. You guys gonna understand. I can probably like jump up. Do I have hops? Click it yourself with your big forehead. Okay, green key card right there. Check this room. Check the corners. Check the corners. I should have a rock in my other hand just to make sure I knock somebody out. All right. Kindergarten and daycare center. Please fill out this form for the best of your ability to send a repairs. Okay. All right. So signature Monday, Thursday. Okay, cool. So my drone. Okay. So we have a key. I just opened it. Bro, please don't put her in here, bro. Please don't put. I will pee myself. I will pee myself. Ophelia. Why? If you. Ophelia ain't thick no more. She's skinny. Oh my gosh. Okay. In there's like a screwdriver. Okay, I'm guessing that's for like the bolts on the thing. Oh yeah, this is literally exactly like the last game, but you know, hold C to crouch, shift to run. Okay. This sounds like a song you gotta listen to on your way to work. Did you shower today? You stink! Yeah, this song's so biblical. Like Nintendo, I make it all the stuff. Grab the egg, it's extendo. Ooh, clip, throwing them your lip. Ooh, what you finna do? Guess what? I'm gonna hit you with a hip dance. Ooh, the song just restarted. I think I just farted. Cause Ophelia was looking scary. Now I'm darting right up to my bathroom. So I can get the Febreze to stink just like a classroom. Ooh, wait, so where is that scared the freak out of me. Ophelia has lost her 6 eggs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 3. We have to find 3 more. I'm glad you like added some nice little music in here, just like the original game. Can I crouch in here? I don't think I can. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 more. Why am I able to go through here?
I got one out. Now it's time for the next.
The Japanese automaker debuted the new 5th generation Prius, adding a pinch of performance and a dash of design flair to
Yay!
long-standing
Like and
efforts
subscribe.
with the